Dear student, yesterday I was taught you lesson 7 in civics, economic presence of the government. In this lesson, I taught you multiple purpose, project, transport, energy, links between the people's aspiration, need and role of the government. Today I will teach you गवर्नमेंट्स एफर्ट्स टू रिड्यूस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। सरकार ने कौन से कदम उठाए जिससे बेरोजगारी का निराकरण हो सके या बेरोजगारी समस्या कम हो सके। उसके लिए सरकार ने क्या किया है, लिखा हुआ पेज नंबर, लुक एट द पेज नंबर 233, गवर्नमेंट एफर्ट्स टू रिड्यूस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। The government has undertaken many special programs to generate employment opportunities. The major ones among them are as follows. Rural Works Program. This program aims construction of civil work of permanent nature in rural areas. Second, integrated dryland agriculture development. Under this scheme, permanent works like soil conservation, development of land and water harnessing are undertaken. National Rural Employment Program, it aims to create community assets for strengthening rural infrastructure like drinking water wells, community irrigation wells, village tank, minor irrigation works, rural roads and school. Rural Land-Based Employment Guarantee Program, it aims to generating gainful employment, creating productivity assets in rural areas and improving the overall the quality of rural life. Industrial training, the government has taken many steps to impart industrial training to generate skill development among labor force. Vocational education has been integrated at the school level as well. Entrepreneurial development, the government has implemented a number of schemes for providing low-cost capital to the small enterprises and self-employment persons. It has helped in the expansion of ideas, industries and businesses. Government efforts to curb inflation. The sharp and persistent rise the price level is called inflation. Frequent rise in prices create an atmosphere of uncertainty and hinders economic development. It increase the cost of living and the poor and the middle class people are worse suffers. Due to soaring prices, even consumer goods become costlier and scarce. It gravitates economic inequality in society. The government has taken the following steps to curb prices rise. These are follows. Monetary measure. Whenever there is price rise, Reserve Bank of India reduce the money circulation in the economy. This results in people's tendency to consume less, which in turn reduce the demand for goods and thereby lower the price. Second, fiscal measure. The government imposed tax on high income groups and on many consumer goods with the intention of reducing the purchasing capacity of the people. When people have less money to spend. They consume less. It leads to decline in prices. Third, public distribution system. It involves supply of essential commodities to the people through fair price shop. It ensures that security to the poor people especially. This system also helps in controlling unscrupulous rise in prices of essential goods in the markets. Administered price mechanism for preventing hoarding and keeping the price of essential commodities within reasonable limits and it to facilitate their availability. The government fixed the price and asked traders to sell goods in the market at fixed price level. It is done under Asian Commodities Act 1955. Till recently, prices of cement, petrol, diesel, LPG, GC were kept under administered price mechanism. Government efforts provide medical and health facilities. The government of India has taken up a wide range of activities in the field of health, which includes population control, family welfare, prevention of food alteration, drug control, immunization and eradication of major communicable and non-communicable diseases. It has resulted in a significant improvement in the health status of the people. Plague and smallpox have been eradicated. Malaria has been controlled to the large extent. Programs for eradication of disease like polio, tuberculosis, AIDS, leprosy, cancer, blindness, iodine deficiency, diabetes, have substantially helped in the reduction of the mortality rate. The government has created an extensive network of community health centers, primary health center and sub-center to take care of health service in rural areas. Government efforts for literacy and education. Literacy rate in India, 71%, is lower than in many other developing countries like China, Sri Lanka. Therefore, National Literacy Mission was launched in 1988 to impart functional literacy to non-literate. The total literacy campaign has been the principal strategy of the National Literacy Mission. The NLM has accorded priority for the promotion of the female literacy. The National Policy on Education 1986 modified in 1992 emphasizes universal access to elementary education through Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan launched in 2001 and 2. National Program for Education of Girls at Elementary Level is an important component of SSA. Now, quick recap, self-study and learn it.